Welcome, my friends. Today we begin a new journey in mindful movements. A journey to restore peace, balance, and vitality in your daily life. I'm your guide, and this is Tai Chi for Life. This series is created especially for those of us 55 and older who wish to move with grace, breathe with ease, and live with greater calm. Introduction to mindful movement. Tai Chi is not about effort or speed. It is about softness, about awareness, and the gentle connection between breath, body, and mind. Every small motion releases tension, awakens your inner energy, and invites peace into your day. So let's begin. Steady, relaxed, and be kind to ourselves. Always begin with the commencing. Stand tall with your feet about shoulder width apart. Toes pointing forward. Gently soften your knees, like sitting lightly on a tall, invisible stool. Let your arms hang naturally at your sides. Relax your shoulders. Lift your head gently and lengthen through your spine. Feel your weight evenly grounded through both feet. Imagine quiet roots reaching down into the earth, strong, steady, and calm. This is your foundation. Stillness with awareness, relaxation with readiness. The next phase is to rest your hands on your lower abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand beneath your hand. Exhale through your mouth, letting your abdomen soften inward. Continue at your own calm rhythm. Inhale, gentle and full. Exhale, easy and smooth. Once more, inhale, exhale, relax, and release. This is abdominal breathing, the foundation of Tai Chi. It quiets the mind and nourishes your inner energy, your Chi. From your Wuji stance, begin to let your arms rise slowly. Imagine it being lifted by a gentle breeze. Palms face upwards, floating up above your head. Thank you. Inhale as your arms rise. Feel light and open. At the top, turn your palms toward your body. Then exhale as your hands drift downward, pressing softly through the air as though moving through warm water. Feel the steady rhythm, the rise and the fall, the expansion and the release. Inhale, arms lifting, weight shifting gently to your heels. Exhale, arms lowering, weight resting softly forward. Let's repeat again. Slow, smooth, connected to your breath. Wonderful work. You have completed the opening movement of Tai Chi, the commencing form. This simple practice opens your joints, relaxes your muscles, and awakens the gentle energy that supports your health and peace. Remember, Tai Chi is not about how much effort you give, but about how present you are in each motion, each breath. With practice, your body will grow stronger, your breath deeper, and your heart more at ease. Thank you for joining me for this first session of Tai One for Life. Next time, we'll grow our practice together, one mindful movement at a time.